Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome to Physics with Rajesh channel. Our today's concept is terminologies of curved mirrors. Okay, so terminology is nothing but let us assume they are the parts of the mirror. Okay, for our human body we are having different parts, right? So in the same manner, a mirror will also have some basic parts. Okay, so let us discuss the terminologies of concave mirror. So uh, the convex mirror also having same terminologies. Okay, so let us consider a concave mirror. So it is a concave mirror. So the non-reflecting surface is going to be represented by these lines, shaded lines. This is the reflecting surface. Okay, the first one is pole. The first one is pole. Okay, so pole is nothing but it is the midpoint of the mirror. Okay, so it is the center point of mirror. It is known as pole. Okay, then the second one is focus. Focus is a point. Okay, so where all the light rays parallel to the principal axis. So principal axis is nothing but it is the line joining focus and center of curvature. So if the light rays are traveling parallel to the principal axis like this, okay, let us assume, so they are all going to meet after reflection at a point. Okay, and that point is known as focus. Okay, so focus is nothing but it is a point where all the reflected light rays meet. Okay, and the next one is center of curvature. Center of curvature, it is also a point. Okay, so it is the center of the sphere from which the mirror is applied. So for example, so uh, so let this be the sphere. Okay, so it is a sphere. Sphere is nothing but it is a mirror which is in the shape of ball. Okay, so from that ball shaped mirror, so we have cut these we have just cut this concave mirror. Okay, so generally the sphere will have some center, right? So that center is nothing but center of curvature. Okay, right? So it is the center of curvature. Center of curvature nothing but it is the center of the sphere from which the mirror is obtained. And the next one is principal axis. As I told you previously that principal axis is nothing but see here, it is a line joining the pole, focus and center of curvature. Okay, so radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is also a line. Radius of curvature is the distance. Okay, it is the distance from pole to center of curvature. Okay, so listen here carefully. Center of curvature and focus are the points. They are just the points. Whereas radius of curvature is the distance from pole to center of curvature. And the next one is focal length. And the next one is focal length. So focal, yeah, the name itself defines that it is the length. So it is the distance or the length from pole to focus is known as focal length. So we are going to represent focal length with small f, radius of curvature with capital R, and we are going to represent pole with capital P, focus with capital F, and center of curvature with capital C. So here the important concept is R equal to 2F. So the distance from pole to center of curvature, okay, is half of the, it is the double the distance from pole to focus. Okay, R equal to 2 approximately. They are not for our concept they have given a they have given this R equal to 2F, but in NCRTs we will have R approximately equal to 2F. Okay, yeah, that is about today's concept. So we have learned the terminologies of curved surfaces, that too mainly for the concave mirror. So the same terminologies are going to be reflected for the convex mirror also. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.